This fall semester, we were excited to have the energy that the students bring back on campus. Just like a garden isn't the same if you can't share it, the campus isn't the same without the students. As we close out this year, we invited Dr. Tom Coon, our Vice President and Dean, to share with us about the future of the Division of Agriculture Sciences and Natural Resources.
Well, 2020 is definitely a year to remember. It's very easy to get caught up in the present, all that we've had to deal with this year, and kind of overwhelming in a way, and yet I'm really proud of the fact that our faculty and our students and our staff have really persevered. Here on campus, the faculty and students back in the spring pivoted very quickly to online instruction. And then over the summer months, we had time to really prepare carefully and thoughtfully about still building on our strength of face-to-face instruction, when we could do it safely, and when we couldn't, to really adapt and provide online instruction. So hats off to our faculty and students for making those adjustments. In addition, our extension educators in our county offices were tremendous in pivoting very quickly to be able to provide programs, to provide assistance online or through the phone or through texting or whatever. And really, we've continued to deliver very well on our extension programs this year. It took a lot of effort, I know. People had to learn skills, Zoom or WebEx or Teams very quickly. But, in a way, I think we may have reached more people this year through extension than we ever have before. Our 4-H educators adapted, were very creative in some of the things that they did with online contests and training. So I really appreciate the way that our folks have persevered here in the present. But our land-grant institution also has to look to the future. And we've had some really exciting things happen this year that really are more forward-looking as well. Certainly, early this year, we had the fantastic announcement of the gift from the Ferguson Family Foundation. And with that, the college's name was changed to the Ferguson College of Agriculture. And that has gone very well. That also is tied in with the campaign to raise funds for a new building for our college. So here it is, 2020, we're celebrating the 130th birthday of Oklahoma State University, started as Oklahoma A&M College. Seems to make sense that the agricultural part of A&M College is going to get a new home. And so while we started on the frontier in 1890, we're now really pursuing a new frontier of creating a vision and a new home for the Ferguson College of Agriculture here for the 21st century. The new building will be located just northeast of where the current agricultural hall is. We're excited about the planning that's gone on. The faculty have had a lot of influence on the design and how it'll look. We really wanted to help us change the way we teach, change the way we do research, and create a home-like environment for students. So we're excited about the way the architects have pulled that together into the design. It's a design that really is going to be finished here in the next month or two so that we can break ground in the spring of 2021 and we'll be moving into that new building in the fall of 2023. So quite a momentous year in so many ways, and of course we wouldn't be able to do anything without the support of the people of Oklahoma, many people who have been generous to us with their wealth and with their talents and skills. And we're just really excited about how that positions us for the future so that we can continue to be the land-grant university that the people of Oklahoma need.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.